Hi, this is Anush with Mercedes Benz AMG, and welcome to our show. Today we're going to be talking about the 2019 G63. This is a new beast, even though it has the same DNA as original G-Class. Little bit wider, little bit longer. Even though it is a new vehicle, but it has the same original DNA as a G-Class. Now this vehicle has 4.0 V8 twin turbo with 577 horsepower. It is great for the off-roading and great ride in town. So why don't you stay tuned and let's talk about it.
Stubborn is an incurable insomniac. It never takes no for an answer. To stubborn, impossible is just an opinion. The end is where stubborn begins and keeps on going until it's got nothing left. And then, stubborn finds another gear. You know what we make. Stubborn makes us who we are.
Well, today I have Mahir, one of my colleagues. He's our AMG specialist. He's actually the true AMG performance driver. He's here to tell us all about this beautiful car. Thank you very much for coming. It's always nice to see you, one of the best in the West, and he never rests. So, Mahir, tell us about this beautiful car.
So here it is, the much awaited 2019 Mercedes Benz G-Wagon. Yes, it does look same, but let me tell you this. It is completely different. Now look at the car. It still maintains the DNA of the G-Wagon, the boxy feeling that people like, you know, the heaviness of the car, stuff like that. So now we have an all-new engine, all-new gearbox, new suspension setup, which means the car is more comfortable now, more drivable. A lot of people didn't like how harsh and bumpy the car was, but coming around this time, the new G-Wagon maintains the shape, the style, the sexiness, the look that people like about a G-Wagon, but at the same time the car is more drivable now, more comfortable, the car is quicker. You have new 22-inch wheels, you have your signature Mercedes side exhaust on the G-Wagon right there, beautiful color. I mean, look at it, it's a G-Wagon, but now it's a little more drivable. As you see, it's a little rounded in the back, the car sits a little wider, the car is also longer, there is more leg room on the inside, so passengers in the back will enjoy ride-alongs. Also coming in on the inside, the interior of the car is completely changed now. So the interior is more like your S-Class, I would say right now, than being more like your C-Class like it was back then. All in all, as you see, even the bull bar is new this year. It's finished in black. This car has the night package, black wheels, black lights, black mirrors, black bull bar. All in all, I think a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful change to the already iconic G-Wagon.
AMG, driving performance.
In the previous G-Class, my favorite place was the outside because I liked the car outside. I didn't like the car inside that much. It was kind of a little outdated. Not anymore. The new G-Wagon inside, as I said, my favorite place to be in. This car is finished in beautiful carbon fiber everywhere. You have the Alcantara and carbon fiber steering wheel too. Beautiful IWC watch right here. These are the screens, the dual screens, the 12.3 dual screens from the S-Class or the E-Class with the addition in them. Again, very G-Wagon. The air vents symbolize the round headlights in the front, very chic. The speaker covers, if you can see them here, resemble the indicator mirrors up front. The seats are beautiful, finished in beautiful Napa leather. You have the all-new ambient lighting inside. As you see, the ambient lighting everywhere. Now, when you go with the G63, the AMG, most of the stuff is standard. However, this guy has a lot of nice add-ons that I would add on if I were you.
Great, great. That looks great with the custom build, and I love the carbon fiber interior.
My favorite.
We hope you enjoyed our today's program. We invite you to stop by at Mercedes Benz Avancino on Ventura Boulevard. 1-800-GO-MERCEDES, 1-800-GO-MERCEDES, or look us up at www.mbencino.com. We look forward to see you.